Hello everyone, and welcome to another look through an old vacuum cleaner brochure. Today I'll be having a look at this Sebo Airbelt K cylinder brochure. Compact, lightweight and powerful, making light work of housework, says Sebo here. And we've got the Good Housekeeping Institute seal of approval. This couple here don't seem to be doing very much vacuuming. Perhaps, I don't know what they're looking. She may be saying, look, this Sebo's on offer, let's go and look at it. And the husband, to keep wifey happy, is saying, of course, we will go down to our local Sebo dealer, John Lewis or an independent store, and have a look, shall we? Although, judging by this, they've already got one, but I think that's superimposed. She's probably dreaming of that model. But if she plays her cards right, she might be able to get her husband to pay for the top model with the power head. That's the one I'd certainly go for. This brochure opens out into a glorious 3-page spread, which I can't fit in one picture, so we'll concentrate on each section at a time. Here we have a little bit of blurb about Sebo and the Sebo Airbelt K range, and some lifestyle pictures showing various surfaces to be cleaned. A picture of a dog to represent pet hair, and we've got some upholstery and a hard surface. Bit of a rug and a hard floor, more hard floors, and 2 little babies, which obviously you want to keep your carpets clean if you've got babies crawling all over them. It says here, creative thinking has produced a vacuum cleaner which is light and compact, yet durable and powerful. Innovation shows in every aspect of the design, from the airbelt bumper system to the clever tool storage and easy bag change. It is this attention to detail and care for quality that makes Sebo different. And it's made for you and your home, of course. And here we have some details on the Sebo Airbelt K range. Light and compact, easy to use, easy to store, powerful performance, all-round cleaning excellence, hard floor, carpet, pet hair, ideal for allergy sufferers, very quiet, excellent build quality, backed by a long warranty. And the warranty is, we are so confident in the reliability of our products that Sebo domestic vacuum cleaners come with a 2-year labour and 5-year parts guarantee. Well, that's changed now because it is 5-year parts and labour, certainly on the domestic range sold in the UK. 5 years parts and labour on the mains powered Sebos. There is one cordless machine. I'm not sure what the warranty on that is, but that is designed for the commercial market. On the centre page, Sebo go into more detail on the various attachments you can get supplied with the different K models. Obviously, all these attachments didn't come with each model. The basic model, which I think in this case is the red, would have just come with the basic carpet floor head, the crevice tool and the upholstery nozzle. So here we have the floor brush turbo, which was standard with the K1 Comfort, a parquet brush, which was also standard with the K1 Comfort. I think that was the blue one. We should see the whole range on the back page. And then there's the 3 swivel casters. And then for pet hair, this is the earlier power head. I do have on my channel, I used to have one of these K series with this head, but I sold it long ago. But I still have a C3, I think it is, that's got this version before the ET1 head. It's okay, but the ET1 head is certainly better than this head in performance wise, but it's nice to have the different versions. Still has the easy to slide out brush. On this version it's in 2 places, you see, one long and one short. And then we've got the standard, again that's changed, I've got that head on some models. And then we've got the crevice tool that has to be used in conjunction when using the upholstery nozzle. That fits into the end of the crevice tool. And on this page, Sebo talks about the anti-allergy design. Sebo have the British Allergy Foundation approval. Talking about the Ultra bag as well. Pre-motor microfilter, exhaust microfilter, and a little bit about the controls, where we have here the combined on-off and variable speed control. Obviously on the top model, the controls were located on the handle. And then the protecting your home, the Sebo Airbelt Very good idea, which I believe Miele are incorporating into some new models available early 2025 at the time of filming this. But Sebo were the first, I think, with this airbelt design, which diffuses the air around the machine. So you don't have a grill that blasts air up or at the back. It diffuses it towards the front, and the airbelt is soft, which means it will protect the cleaner and your furniture. If you knock it into the sides of your doors or table legs, the airbelt protects it. And you'll see several Sebo videos on my channel, quite a lot actually, of the different Sebo machines. Right, I think we can turn to the next page, and we can see the three models available at the time: the basic K1, the K1 Comfort, and the K3 Premium. So yes, I have shown you that on my channel, but mine's a later version with a low wattage motor, but I did have a high wattage. These are all 1800 watts. I think Sebo did one of these over 2000. It might have been 2100 watts. I'm sure they did. Pretty sure I had that. I've had all these machines back in the past, of course. And here we can see the various attachments from the combination floor head, the turbo brush, parquet brush, the power head, the dusting brush, and the crevice and upholstery nozzle. And it says here the stair and upholstery brush was an optional extra, so it doesn't look like it even came with the Comfort version. Obviously Sebo did a pet version later on, I think they probably still do, that comes with this mini turbo head as well as a full-sized one. But yes, some of the attachments have remained the same, but others have changed. Definitely the floor and turbo heads are now different, as is the parquet brush. And of course we now have the ET1 power head on the Sebo power head machines, and it's the same power head they use on the Felix upright. But these small tools, they've remained the same, as has the small turbo brush, but that's now in a dark grey colour. And on the back page we see a picture of a Sebo upright, and this version seems to be the X4 Extra, which was the very first Sebo cleaner I purchased from Alder's department store when it was in York. I remember buying that and bringing it home and being impressed with the build quality of it, and I've liked Sebo cleaners ever since. And as we can see here, Sebo are approved by Axminster Carpets Limited. Sebo, the intelligent choice. There is a telephone and fax number there. Don't try phoning that number. It might be the same, I don't know, but it's possibly changed. And we've got Sebo's website, www.sebo.co.uk, made in Germany. So there you go, that's a Sebo Airbelt K cylinder cleaner range. I can't date this brochure, but obviously it's pre-EU regulations because all these cleaners are 1800 watts, which is double the allowable wattage for machines sold in the EU, and that also includes the UK. Even though we're supposed to have left the EU, we still abide by many of their rules. And in my experience, the high wattage cleaners often do have more suction than their lower wattage equivalents. The E-Power range is what Sebo market now. They're still effective machines, but I think they do lack some of the oomph of these higher wattage cleaners, but obviously they are more economical to run nowadays with motor wattages of around 890 watts. That's pretty standard for a Sebo cylinder sold today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thumb it up if you're a fan of Sebos, and thumb it up if you want to see more brochures on the channel. And you will do, because this is part of my 24 brochure Advent series for 2024. So when these are finished, you'll see a playlist on my channel and you can watch all of them. Doesn't have to be Advent for you to watch them. You can watch them whenever you want. So tune in for the next video, and I'll see you all another time. Bye for now.